Hey there, this is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Sea Ray 190 SPX. This boat is absolutely beautiful, bimini top. It's got the blue hull side color, white hull bottom on a tandem axle Sea Ray trailer. It does have a collapsible tongue for those who need garage space. This boat does have the gray interior, swim platform. Give you a little walk around here before I climb inside so you can take a look at it. MarineCruiser Alpha 1 outdrive SPX 190. It's a beautiful boat. Let's climb aboard and take a look. It does have the snap-in flooring. Nice spacious swim platform, transom walk through, cooler storage up under there, so you don't have to step on any upholstery or anything. Step down right in the boat. Nice bench seat in the back. Take a look at the motor here. This is a MarineCruiser 4.5 liter, 200 horsepower. It's got diffusion audio in it. Co-captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. Got a nice glove compartment here, of course, to put all your stuff. Safety kits. Got some storage up under your co-captain's area. Nice spacious bow. Again, 2 Fusion speakers up front. Got anchor storage up front. Does have a full cover, of course. Does have the Mercury digital gauges here. Got the Fusion stereo, courtesy lighting inside, flip up bolster in the captain's chair. You also have, let me slide around here so you can see, got a ski locker right here. Keep all your skis, inflatables, tubes, extra life jackets. Walk through transom again. Again, this is a 2023 Sea Ray 19 SPX, located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005.